Menteri Rangba Kecela, Konrad Kongkasangma, Ulakan tu ya Presiden Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee lane MPCC, kata ya Vincent H. Pala, watching tip beniak, alor kacing ya ram Kecela, ya kane ulah cubab, alor kacing kena Presiden ke MPCC, balakam bak sarkar MDA hapo kacing ya lam ke NPP, kan sepengamnya Kecela hagaram. Konrad ulang balik se Presiden ke MPCC umla ban sengotu ya kacing kan bisa bangabatai ngapen ia kacing kiu lani ka kru hapo Kecela ngila pensyai hakabai dai bat karang ka sarkar India kadon lakrukom trekam bat ka Finance Ministry bat ka RBI kidon lakrukom trekam ban pentikna ba amdon ka weiru Kecela kabala ban simram palat ya ke kendon balabo ngidang don hapo kata kekerdan ong Konrad Sangma ya uba Vincent H. Pala ula ong susuru baka cingkiu Kecela Meghalaya barok away kadai kemba nyau 4% nak bisa balapan mi na Kecela ne na kacing mi bisa cong Kecela hi aneka internal revenue kumta pun nak mang tengka kawan hi na kacing mi bisa cong Kecela hi kiram beper baka MPCC lesi ke kedau kadai karam ke World Bank karam ADB bat kiram project balapaj benia daki weipat aneka externally aid project loans kadai rapo point alpha ratio hakabai dai bat karam baka cinglut bangi hapan siu haswa kumta alpha persen ka sarkar Kecela ka siu shwa rapo persen kadai karam kendai pau nakani kadai ka kran nak sekal pedang bat ka sarkar Meghalaya hapan siu pat tang 10% nak rapo persen basimram ong Konrad Sangma bat kumta lada pipet ya kacing khen barok kawe nyop 8% la siu pat dak sekal pedang alpha persen la siu dak sekal Kecela ka hapan siu lupa lanek upfront kumta kacing keli halor cong kene kebenta balawara da Presiden ke MPCC kan namisyu Menteri Rangba ula penkut da kebaang Presiden ke MPCC persang ban penbaklai kepaiba kabadai kacing sungsi kio ie kacing kio bat kim syamshu da kumno ban kentho ya kacing kio kabadang ya cekmat bat dai nak ne kadal ki penbaklai kepaiba kumta na kentu bagi dai ban sngotu shwa ya kerukom yo ram haswa bikin kran ne kacing kran ki bakum kini ong Menteri Rangba ya Presiden ke MPCC
90% is grant from the central government and government of Meghalaya has to repay back only 10%. And hence if you look at the entire calculation, 72% is repaid back by central government. 28% is paid by the state government, which has to be paid in advance upfront. So the question of this being financed through debt does not arise at all. So therefore, the MPCC president is trying to mislead the people, which is quite unfortunate. They are seeing the growth and they're not finding any way to counter the growth that is taking place, and hence they are misleading the people, which is highly unfortunate. And I would appeal to them that they should understand the finances before they speak and make such comments.